Hey guys, what's up? This is lesson 3 in HTML and CSS tutorial. If you remember in the previous lesson, we just looked some HTML elements that we are going to use a lot in our codes. Today we're going to look at some HTML text formatting elements that makes our text bold or italic or marked. And let's get into it. And also we're going to write some code with these elements. So let's get into it and see the elements. And this elements that we're going to use in our codes that are used to, used to format the text. So we're going to use this B element, strong element, M element, del element. And by the way, this is a comment, just don't worry about it. We're just going to talk about the comments later on, and don't worry about it. It's very easy concept. So let's get into it and write some code. Yep. So first of all, we're going to use our B tag, or B element. So let's say P, this is our paragraph, and I'm going to write B. This is bold text. So also I'm going to use. So let's just refresh this and see what happens. Yeah, this is bold text. You can see it's a bold. It's bold. Yeah. So let's also use the strong. Yeah. This is the strong element does the same thing as a bold element, but they have a difference between them. It's let's add a BR here because we want to break the line. So let's just run it, and this is bold text. Strong element used on the headings. Okay, we're going to use strong element on our headings, and bold element, B element, actually is used to make our text or paragraph bold. Okay, we're going to have a the difference between this bold and strong is this one we are going to use on our headings, and this one we are going to use on our on our text paragraphs. Also, you can use B on your headings, like, let me just show this, heading 1, B, heading 1, just run it and see what happens, heading 1, but HTML prefers to use strong. Okay, so let me just delete this and see another elements. So the other elements is I element. It is italic. It makes your text italic. So let me just BR and I. I'm going to say this is italic text. So let's just refresh it and see what happens. This is italic text. Yeah. So you can see it. Let's see another one. Emphasized. Actually, I didn't use this. Let's see what's an M. This is it's the same thing as the italic. Okay, it's the same thing. It does the same thing as the I element. So let's use a mark element, mark. This is mark. Let's just refresh it. Yeah, this is mark text. You can say it just make it yellow. Yeah. Also, we're going to look some styling in our CSS. lessons, just don't worry about it. We're going to make this yellow color to blue or green. We're going to change it in our CSS lessons. So also BR, let's use another one, smell. It makes our text small. It makes our text to look like small. So let's just make it. This is small text. This is small text. You can say it's small, yeah. So let's just go to here and use del. It will just put a line on our text like deleted. This is deleted. So let's just run it. Yeah, it puts a line on our text. Yeah, you can see it. So also they have inserted text. BR. This is inserted text. So let's just refresh it and see. It puts a line and on our text, but it's like a link. Yeah, you can say it. Yep. So let's just also see the sub and sub. We're going to use this element on our code very lot. So let's just see the elements. This element is very important. So let's just see subscript text. This is, I'm going to make it like this. I'm going to write our text. This is subscript. Text. Let's just refresh it. Yeah, this is subscript text. So let's just see the sub, and I'm going to copy this and make this to be. This is sub and this is sub. This is B and P. So let's refresh it. This is subscript text. Let's just refresh it. This is subscript text and this is subscript text. Superscript text. You can also use this like, let me just delete this two ones, like H sub 2 and O. Means water. So let's just refresh it and see what happens. Yeah, you can see it. Means water. Also, let's do another one. And Q. So Q equals 4. Let's just refresh it. Yeah, you can see it, yeah. So this is cool. Yeah. That's it. So well, I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah. So well, see you in the next lesson. Bye.